Welcome to solverfy.
So in this question, first we have to um, define three terms: theoretical yield, actual yield, and percent yield. So from here, which is taken from the book, here you can see that theoretical yield is basically the amount of the product that can be found from a reaction theoretically, or in other words, in all the reactions we have a limiting reactant. So when all the limiting reactant is consumed, and at the time the quantity of the product when all the limiting reactant is consumed is called the theoretical yield. And the actual yield is the amount of product which is actually or experimentally obtained. So one is the theoretically obtained, that's from just from the calculations we do, and the actual yield is the experimental amount which is found from an actual experiment of a reaction. And the percent yield is just basically um, the percent of actual yield in a theoretical yield is called the percent yield. That is actual yield over the theoretical yield times 100% is the percent yield. And then in question B, we have to say that why the actual yield in a reaction is almost always less than the theoretical yield. So there are three reasons for this. The first reason is that um, some reactants may not react. That means in theoretically we are thinking that this much mole of a reactant will react with that much mole of other reactant to produce this much mole of that product. But experimentally or in practice, not all of the reactant will react. Some of the reactant may not react, and there may be some many reason. And there, the second reason may be that the reactants may react in a way that is different from the desired, or there may be some side reactions which we don't count or which we don't count as a product or our expected product. So the production of the side reactions or the production of side products may also reduce the actual yield. And one other thing is sometimes it is not possible to recover all the products from the reaction mixture. So for these three reasons, actual yield is almost always less than the theoretical yield. In the third question, we are asked if a reaction can ever have 110% actual yield. So the answer is no. No reaction can have 110% actual yield because the 100% is the limit, or 100% is the theoretical yield which is possible from a reaction. So 100% is the maximum yield which we can get from a reaction actually, and more than 100% of the product is not possible for a reaction.